Hello, Kevin. You look very elegant today. Are you going to a formal tea party? Oh, you are. What's the matter? Are you nervous? You don't know what to do in a formal situation? Oh no. Wait, I have an idea. Let's practice together. So, let's pretend that you are arriving to the party, okay? You have to exit. Then I say 1, 2, 3, action, and you enter again. Yes, you exit now. 1, 2, 3, action. Kevin? That hello is very informal. It looks like you're saying what's up or even yo. Maybe if you straighten your posture a little bit. Let's try again. You exit and I count to 3. 1, 2, 3, action. Okay, Kevin, that's good, but it still looks informal. Like you are saying hello to a bunch of friends in a casual way. Wait, I have another idea. Don't move. Yay! Fantastic! Now, Kevin, imagine that these are very important teddy bears. To greet them, you need to straighten your posture. Yes. And gently nod your head once, as if you're saying, how do you do? Alright? So now exit to your right, I say 1, 2, 3 action, and you can come back in. Let's do it! 1, 2, 3 action! That was excellent, Kevin. Very formal. Now you can sit down. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get a chair for you. There's your chair, Kevin. You may sit down. Remember your posture. Brilliant. Fabulous posture. Why don't you have some tea now? Gentle movements, Kevin. This is a formal tea party. Try a little slower and softer. Sublime, Kevin. Very posh and classy. I think you've had enough tea. Let's practice your farewell now. How do you say a formal goodbye? Oh dear, Kevin, that looks quite informal, even a bit rude. Almost as if you are saying, I'm out of here, I'm off. Not appropriate for this situation at all. That's funny, Kevin, but it's still informal. It looks like you're saying, see you later, guys. Let's try bending over a little bit and tilting your head down gently, okay? That is a perfect way to say, thank you for your time, I must go now. Okay, Kevin, I think that you're ready for your formal tea party. You're not nervous anymore, are you? Piece of cake. It's going to be great. What time does it start? Uh-oh, are you late? Have fun, Kevin. You're welcome, Kevin. Have a nice time. Bye for now.